Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are traveling to Vietnam, but first I want to give you a quick walkthrough of Kuala Lumpur International Airport, one of Asia's busiest airports. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future travel videos. Kuala Lumpur International Airport, or KLIA, is one of the busiest airports in Asia and serves as Malaysia's main international airport. The airport is located in Sepang, about 45 kilometers or 28 miles south of Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia. The airport consists of two main terminals, KLIA-1, also known as the main terminal, and KLIA-2, a dedicated terminal for low-cost carriers. Dropping our bags and going through security checks were quick and organized. KLIA offers a wide range of facilities and services, including shopping outlets, restaurants, lounges, prayer rooms, and premium services for a comfortable travel experience.
They got this.
That's it for today's tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on our next adventure. See you in Vietnam.